Hello, Amaka. Amaka disappoint me. How far? I deal with you. They know. Make we meet.
This man.
Yeah. That no my joint.
Woman.
Hey, Ferro, come here. Come here. Hello, make I call you back. Come here. Stand here. Stand for here. Make I call you back.
Photo.
Now school you dey go so?
Yes. Yes.
I been wan advise you because I know say you still there nowadays. You don't learn good vibes. I be good English in school. When I was in school, then you dey do eyes like this. When I dey school, na first seat we dey sit down because people wey be say they always sit in the front seat. They always sit in the front seat. They are the one that succeed in life because they hear what the teacher is teaching them. They read the teacher lips. So I want you to be sitting in the front seat because if you sit in the front seat, you will make it in life. Because that's where I sit when I was in school.
So wait.
I normally sit in the front seat.
You dey sit down for first seat and your life be like this.
How my life be?
You no get wife, you no get job, you no get anything. Make my life come be like your own. Go collect one day, go sleep. Collect.
Then Tiagasa. Sorry, oh.
Very, 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 very strong.